Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to show you some abdominal massage for indigestion and constipation, gas, bloating. If you've got any of these problems, lay down on the floor and put some nice natural virgin oil like olive oil or flax oil or coconut oil on your belly, and start over here on the right side where your ileocecal valve is. That's where it connects the small intestine to the large, and feel right there to feel if there's any kind of tension or bulging, because stuff can get stuck there. The valve can get stuck, and you can release that by massaging right down in there, lower right side, and work your way up. Get just the right amount of oil and feel for where the poo is or where it's sore. This is really good for migraine headaches because you don't want to be backed up. You know, if you don't have good peristalsis, that can contribute to your migraine headaches because your digestive system is getting backed up with too many meals. Because of stress, or you're not eating healthy foods, not enough fiber. Or like me, I'm losing a lot of skin, not just externally from weight loss, but also internally. I'm losing tissue as my body shrinks and gets healthier. It's losing tissue internally, and I know this because I have excess skin in my mouth and I keep biting it. Work the transverse colon going across here. Feel up here where it curves around for any. If you need to take a break, do that. Feel for a blockage here where it turns the corner from the ascending to the transcending. I can feel that right there. Come across here. And then down. I'm feeling most of this over here. Also, you can work on your small intestine. Work on the small intestine as well. You might also do some movement. Bulge it out, bring it in. Bulge it out, bring it in. You might also try some belly circles while you're sitting in a half lotus position, or Indian style, or whatever. Okay? So there you go. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you do some good self-massage. Bye.